Erectile health is one of the most discussed yet least understood issues for men, especially as they reach their 60s and older. Research shows that nearly half of all men over 40 will deal with some form of erectile dysfunction during their lifetime. Even though this is so common, many men still feel alone, embarrassed, or even misled by the endless stream of advice they see online. You have likely come across all kinds of claims about miracle fixes, exotic supplements, or strange home remedies that promise instant results. But what about something simple, inexpensive, and often overlooked, like baking soda? Now, before you dismiss this as just another online rumor, pause for a second. Baking soda is one of the most useful items sitting quietly in your kitchen cupboard. We know it makes bread rise. We know it can freshen up a fridge. It even calms indigestion. But here's what almost no one talks about. Recent research and a closer look at human physiology suggest that baking soda may offer surprising benefits when it comes to circulation, nitric oxide production, inflammation, and overall sexual performance. Why does this matter? Because for men over 60, when erections begin to change, it is rarely only about performance in the bedroom. It often signals shifts in heart health, hormone balance, or even subtle inflammation in the prostate and pelvic tissues. And here's the reality. These are exactly the areas where baking soda, when understood and used carefully, might have a role. This isn't about magic. This is about chemistry, biology, and the truth that small daily choices can create real changes over time. In this talk, I am going to walk you through 10 powerful, science-backed ways baking soda may support blood vessel health, hormonal balance, pelvic function, and ultimately, stronger erections. We'll cut through the myths. We'll separate fact from fiction. And we'll talk clearly about how to apply this knowledge in your everyday life. Think of this session as sitting with a doctor who actually has time to explain things, not a rushed 10-minute visit. I want you to walk away feeling informed, empowered, and relieved, knowing that affordable and practical tools are available. You deserve clarity, not confusion. You deserve to understand your body in a way that lowers fear and builds confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know why baking soda is being studied in sports science, heart medicine, and even urology, and how those findings connect to men's health after 60. Most importantly, you'll feel reassured. Erectile dysfunction is common. It can be managed. And there are safe strategies you can try, starting with something as simple as baking soda. When we talk about erections at the most basic level, we are talking about blood flow. An erection is a hydraulic event. Blood flows into the penis through arteries, fills soft chambers, and stays there to create firmness. If your blood vessels are not working well, erections weaken. That is why erectile dysfunction is often seen as an early sign of heart trouble. And this is where baking soda comes in. One of its most interesting effects has to do with nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and helps them expand. Without enough of it, blood vessels stay stiff and narrow, blocking good blood flow. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology shows that baking soda, when consumed, can boost the availability of nitric oxide in the blood. Think of nitric oxide as the green light for circulation. Baking soda helps keep that green light on. Picture your arteries as flexible garden hoses. Over time, those hoses can stiffen, clog, or stop responding. Nitric oxide is like the switch that softens and opens them, letting water, or in this case, blood, flow smoothly. By supporting nitric oxide, baking soda may keep those hoses flexible, which is essential for strong erections. There's more. As men age, especially after 60, the inner lining of blood vessels, called the endothelium, becomes less efficient at making nitric oxide. This is one reason why heart problems and erectile issues are so closely connected. Baking soda, by lowering oxidative stress and supporting a more alkaline environment, may give the endothelium a healthier base to work from. This doesn't mean baking soda replaces medical treatment. It isn't Viagra. But by improving the inner conditions of your blood vessels, it may help your body respond better to its own nitric oxide. That is subtle but powerful. Here's something practical. Even small improvements in blood flow affect everything: oxygen delivery, muscle recovery, mental clarity, and yes, erection quality. So if you are a man over 60 dealing with changes in firmness or stamina, understanding the circulation benefits of baking soda gives you a new, science-based way to look at things. And if this explanation is making sense, give this video a thumbs up. It helps me know this content matters to you, and it helps reach other men who are searching for answers but may feel too embarrassed to ask. Our bodies are constantly balancing acid and alkaline levels. On a blood test, this is called pH. For most of us, blood pH is kept very tightly regulated, just slightly above neutral. But here's the detail. Lifestyle, diet, aging, and stress can cause small shifts in this acid-base balance, especially in muscles and tissues. These small shifts may seem minor, but they affect energy, recovery, and circulation in big ways. Think about what happens when you exercise hard. Your muscles burn fuel and lactic acid builds up, leaving you sore and heavy. Now imagine this happening not only after workouts, but subtly throughout daily life, in your pelvic muscles, in your blood vessels, even in the smooth muscle tissue of the penis. When tissues are too acidic, they tighten more, recover more slowly, and simply don't perform well. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural buffer. It neutralizes extra acid and brings the body back to balance. In fact, research in the European Journal of Applied Physiology shows that baking soda supplementation delays fatigue in athletes by buffering lactic acid. While those studies were on sports, the principle applies to men in their 60s as well. If your tissues recover faster and operate in a more alkaline state, blood vessels relax easier and erections are more reliable. Imagine your erectile tissue as a balloon you're trying to inflate. If the balloon is stiff and sticky, it takes effort to fill. If it's soft and elastic, it fills easily. Acidic tissue is like the sticky balloon, resistant and sluggish. Alkaline tissue is like the supple balloon, responsive and ready. Baking soda helps shift you toward the latter. This is especially important for men with diabetes, obesity, or metabolic syndrome, since these conditions increase acidity in tissues. Reducing that acid load even slightly may give your blood vessels and muscles a much-needed break, which supports better sexual function. If you're curious, the safest way is not to rush into big doses. First, focus on reducing dietary acid load by cutting processed meats, sugary foods, and excess alcohol, while eating more vegetables and drinking plenty of water. If you want to try baking soda, start carefully and ideally under medical guidance, especially if you have kidney or blood pressure issues, since baking soda contains sodium. Balancing acidity may not sound exciting, but it's one of the hidden keys to better erections. By creating a healthier inner chemistry, you're giving your blood vessels the conditions they need to perform. And many men simply don't realize how important that is.